my channel. My name is Melinda and I'm the Cali Crafter here on YouTube. Welcome to day number 7 of our 12 Days of Christmas series, hosted by Rosa Kelly from Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. Alright, also down below in the description box you'll be able to follow everybody else that's in our series. We have an amazing group of talented crafters, so make sure you take a minute to swing on by their channels, subscribe, like, and comment, because when you leave a comment at the end of our 12 days series, you might just be one of our winners. So take a look. I made for you a rolling pin cookie / gift box holder. So because I wasn't going to send out cookies if this was one of our giveaways, I don't know yet, you'll see. But I was going to send away cookies because if I made cookies today, they're not going to be good by then. Plus, I'll probably eat them all. So instead, I filled it full of these beautiful little gift tags. They're super simple, but come on, those are so cute. I had the Cricut write to and from with it was a copper pin, and then the Cricut cut out all of these on a pearl paper. I can show you the type of paper that I use. This is like my favorite paper of all time. Look at this. How gorgeous is that? It's actually called like a shimmer paper, and it's at Michael's Craft Store. Unless you come to my store in my town, because I probably already bought it all because I love that stuff. Anyways, so let's take a look here. I found these adorable little cards. I think they were at Walmart even. And there's tons of them. I can show you. I think it is Walmart. But there's a few that I have left. You can see them on there. And they're just like little kind of chipboardy, pressed board kind of cards. But there's a couple there also. But they were so cute, and I've been using them on a couple different projects, so you might see them again. But come on, how cute is that? But instead of cookies, I decided to make these adorable little tags, and when you open the box, look at that. I think I made, well, maybe about 35 or so, somewhere around there, 30, 35. We were making them for a while. My mom actually was nice enough, and she helped tie on all the little strings. Here's a little tip. Let me show you. When you go to the dollar store, I think it was actually a 99-cent store, I get these Santas. And you would think, I'm not very good at getting this in the camera. So anyways, I buy these Santas, and look at all this string. I have a hard time for some reason finding eyelash trim, but this is the cutest stuff. Oh my gosh, I use it on everything. For $1, you can buy Santa and use his hat on something else. You can use his face for something, or just cut the whole thing and do a different beard or do something. I just use these strings. So last year I must have bought 5 of these, and I had it on a tons of stuff. But this year I only got a couple, but oh my gosh, how easy is that? And then look at all that string that you have for $1. Come on, you can't even get that at anywhere else like that. So I always do little things like that. I'll buy different items and see what else I can use them for instead of what they're intended. Because I always think it's fun to just kind of do something different. But anyways, so here you go. And all of this is made out of just 65-pound weight cardstock. It is about 12, or the 12 by 12. And then, okay, so also, this print paper here, I'm kind of doing like the Santa, snowman, kind of wintry theme. But I also love that, you know, like the letters to Santa type of theme. So with that, I mean, look how cute. I like to find different papers, and I always have a hard time finding papers. I've said it a million times. I always go to Etsy, but this time I remembered that I bought a digital paper pack from Paper Phenomenon. So I was looking through there, and they happened to have this paper, and it was the cutest thing ever. So I thought that would make the most adorable rolling pin. And I didn't want to do a regular bow that would just kind of sit around the whole thing. I just wanted to have something pretty that will last, but that was easily accessible. So it kind of looks like a bow, like it's, you know, holding it together, but it really isn't. But look at all those tags. I mean, there's so many in here. And every single, oh look, there's a couple candy canes. They're all really so different. And these packs that I got these on right here are actually from Scrapbook Expo. And I would get tons of little packs. Some stickers that we cut apart, like dimensionals. Scrapbook Expo. I mean, look how pretty that is. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to learn how to make it or a tutorial, there's also one on Dreaming Tree. where I got the file. You'll be able to see the video on there. They give better instructions than I probably could on this because, I mean, they really explain it well. But gorgeous. This was a lot of fun to make, and it really wasn't that hard. I thought it was going to be harder than it is, and it really didn't take too long. The hardest part for me is always picking out my paper designs and that kind of thing. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment down below because you never know, this might be the winning video and you could be picked. Thanks again for stopping by, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 8 of our 12 Days of Christmas series.